Right. Testing difference between two standard deviation here. So in the previous class we focused on only mean, but here we are focusing on two standard deviation. Two standard deviation. So here you observe the formula. In case of two large random samples, each drawn from a normally distributed, the standard error of the difference between standard deviation is given by the following formula. Okay, so that it can be concluded that there is a small formula, that is standard error, standard deviation 1 and standard deviation 2. Okay, in the previous problem here, x bar 1 minus x bar 2 is there, but in these given problem, standard error x bar 1 minus x bar 2 is equals to under root, okay, standard deviation 1 square divided by 2 into n1 plus standard deviation 2 square by 2 into n2. Okay, when population standard deviation is given, if the population standard deviation is given, means this formula we need to apply, that is standard error S1, standard error S1 minus S2 is equals to under root S1 square by 2 into n1 plus S2 square by 2 into n2. Then calculated value, okay, calculated value is equals to, you observe the calculated value, difference between two standard deviation. See, I am using the word difference between two standard deviation divided by standard error, standard deviation 1 minus standard deviation 2. Okay, so I'm moving to the problem. Listen here. In a sample of 1000, the mean is 17.5 and standard deviation is 2.5. In another sample of 800, the mean is 18 and standard deviation is 2.7. Assuming that the sample of two independent, discuss whether the two sample can have come from the population which have came standard deviation at 1% level. Okay, this is a given question. Based on this question, when what we have seen in the previous problem here, again you have to frame one table here. Okay, then it is very easy for you. Again, just like this table will be, you can draw the table in exam. Okay, sample 1, sample 2, then immediately what we are going to do, mean values, standard deviation values, then n values. In this way, just write, then you will get complete clarity. So the same procedure, the first step is here, setting hypothesis, A null hypothesis, H naught mu is equals to H naught, alternate hypothesis B, alternate hypothesis H A, mu is not equal to H A, that is rejected, at 1% LOS, at 1% LOS, 99% confidence level, that is 2.58. Okay, previously we written and we solved number of problems in this way. Then next is the test criterion. The test criterion we have to mention the formula. Okay, we have to clearly we need to mention the formula in this stage, so you will get the idea also. That is standard error, standard deviation 1 minus standard deviation 2 is equals to under root standard deviation 1 square divided by 2 into n1 plus standard deviation 2 square by 2 into n2. So this is the first formula. Then calculated value is equals to difference of two standard deviation divided by standard error standard deviation 1 minus standard deviation 2. Then here doing calculation. Then next, after completion of test criterion, we will go for the next step, that is doing calculation, step number 4. Okay, standard error, standard deviation 1 minus standard deviation 2 is equals to under root standard deviation 1 square by 2 into n1 plus standard deviation 2 square by 2 into n2. Okay, then in this way the values will be there, the values will be written here. 2.5 square divided by 2 into 1000, that is 2000. Okay, 2.7 square divided by 2 into 800. Okay, after calculating all these values, you will get 0.087. Okay, this is the value of standard error, standard deviation 1 minus standard deviation 2. Okay, then calculated value is equal to difference divided by standard error, standard deviation 1 minus standard deviation 2. Okay, difference is here, we are focusing on only standard deviation. In the given question, what is the standard deviation? Just focus on the value. Standard deviation is here, see 2.5, then another standard deviation is 2.7. Difference calculated value is equal to difference of two standard deviation divided by standard error, standard deviation 1 minus standard deviation 2. So here standard deviation is 2.5 and 2.7. Okay, so you take these values, 2.7 minus 2.5, that is 0.2 divided by 0.087. Then finally your answer is 2.29. 2.29. So the step number 5 here, that is decision. The calculated value 2.29 is less than the table value 2.58 at 1% significance level. Hence the null hypothesis H0 will be accepted. In this way we have to write. So it can be concluded that there is a significant difference between standard deviation. Okay, this is about the standard deviation problem. Okay, so students, we completed the two problems. In the previous class we completed the topic second method, topic number 2, the first problem, and this is the second problem. So thank you very much for listening the class.